Could there be any more disappointing of a trip? Everything that could go wrong went wrong, fishing wise. Not with the gear, not with the kayak, which is good. But there are always those days that you just can't catch them all, I guess. Today's one of those days. One instance. Damn! Holy smokes! Gosh! Another instance. There's a fish. There's a fish. Where did it go? Forgot about this one too. Gosh, damn it! What can I say? Another fish on. What is this one? Probably a trout. Are you freaking kidding me? Ah, gosh damn it. It was a complete and total disaster, chaos. Oh, there's something chasing bait, something chasing bait. Come on, reel in. The only thing you can do is try to guess where. Oh, saw a wake. The only thing you can do is guess to where the fish is moving. It had to be something big because it was chasing one of those ballyhoo. Those suckers get bit pretty big. So all I can do is just make a couple repeated casts. Hopefully I can connect. Damn it. It was right here, right in front of me too. Oh, it's probably a big trout just following it. God damn it! Couldn't line the fish to save my life. But before you watch this video, this is what mayhem looks like and frustration. Enjoy it. Sideswiped it. Let's see. We can get him in the net. Ooh. Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh yeah. Fish on. Head shakes. Big trout. Big trout. Big trout on. Oh, definitely good sized trout. Oh no, it's a red. It's a red. I lied. Oh man, hopefully he's worth points. Damn it. Red that was short. Well, after viewing what happened, being off the water now, It was a good day. Came out here to help Heroes on the Water again. Doing my part at least to give back to a few of these guys that served our country. It's always it's a good thing to do. So it was a good day. Volunteered to guide it around. Veteran, caught some fish, lost a lot of fish. Wishing that I landed the fish, but that can always be the case. I'm dead tired. I fished yesterday. Got up early again. I'm probably sunburned like a lobster. Well, I'm tired. I'm beat. Let's go home. Look at the turtle. Turtle. I like turtles.